Following its triumphant victory over Persia, Athens rose to prominence. During the Persian Wars, Greek city-states defended their land against the invasions led by Darius and Xerxes. Emerging victorious, Athens became the dominant power of the Greek world. Though the city was left in ruins by the invaders, from its ashes arose not only a reconstructed metropolis, but also a powerful symbol of culture, resilience, and strength, marking the beginning of a new era. In the years after its destruction, the influential statesman Pericles redirected funds originally set aside for military defense to launch the grand reconstruction of the Acropolis. The word Acropolis translates to high city and refers to the elevated, fortified section of ancient Greek cities. Pericles utilized these resources to erect monumental structures that showcased Athens' political and cultural dominance while reinforcing its identity. The Acropolis served as a gateway between the earthly and the sacred, unlike any other place. A monumental staircase guided visitors toward a realm of reverence. As one ascended, the grand statue of Athena came into view, evoking a sense of divine presence. This imposing staircase symbolized the transition from the human world to the divine, elevating visitors both physically and spiritually. Through the majestic marble gateway of the Propylaea, visitors stepped into a sacred precinct. At its heart stood a colossal bronze statue of Athena Promachos, the city's guardian and namesake. Towering at 12 meters, this statue embodied both the warrior and protective aspects of the goddess, overseeing Athens and beyond. The Parthenon, the Acropolis' most dominant temple, was dedicated to Athena Parthenos, the virgin goddess. Serving both as a religious sanctuary and a treasury, the Parthenon revolutionized architectural design. Its intricate pediments and friezes depicted mythological battles and divine victories, symbolizing Athens' ideals of harmony, proportion, and artistic excellence. Inside, surrounded by 22,000 tons of Pentelic marble, stood the breathtaking 12-meter-high chryselephantine statue of Athena Parthenos, crafted from gold and ivory. She not only represented the city's protector, but also Athens' influence as a beacon of civilization beyond its borders. The Acropolis endures as an eternal testament to humanity's ability to rise from devastation, standing as a symbol of Athens' indomitable spirit and lasting cultural legacy. Even under Roman rule, it remained a religious center. During the Middle Ages, it was transformed into a fortress and suffered damage during the Ottoman occupation. Despite these changes, the Acropolis remains one of the most iconic landmarks of the ancient world to this day.